got a clear view. I've shut down my ears and now my heart is what I hear through. I've shut down my eyes and now my soul is what I peer through. Cause God whispered to me, yo, this struggle's gonna prepare you, prepare you. This world is feeling something like a throne that I'm the heir to. And since the people put me there, I put the people there too. Sky's looking gray and I'm just trying to make it clear blue. And always take the path that's opposite of what my peers do. Cheers to college graduates that had to study hard, and homeless brothers sleeping in them gutter yards. Blessed be the babies that grow up to be their mother's charms. R.I.P. to those few that died inside their mother's arms. Life is such a trip now, cause I'm taking trips now. Inches from some luggage bags with custom made grips now. All because I ripped down stages with my gift now. I'm standing on the cliff where I can say goodbye to if now. Remember all the people, how they said I wouldn't make it. I just wanna show you that I'm here.